Hi, my name is Sandra and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a beauty therapist and holistic therapist, and I've been in the skincare spa industry for 30 years. So without further ado, today's video is all about how to use a retinoid. What is a retinoid? We're going to cover the Contra Indications, the confusing terminology, the benefits, I'm going to show you how to apply it, and the conflicts, etc, etc. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's address the confusing terminology with the retinoid. So the retinoid, if you think of it, it comes like, if we put it at the top, and that's to describe all the topical forms of vitamin A. So we have over-the-counter retinoids and we have prescription retinoids. So for over-the-counter, you're going to see the terminology in the ingredients list. For example, you're going to see retinol, which is in this one, retinol aldehyde, retinol esters, and then there's differin and adapalene, which is different in their own right. And then for prescription strength, you're going to see the wording is retinoic acid, tretinoin, retin A, tazarotene and tazarotag. So, but the difference between the prescription and over-the-counter, you have to be prescribed the prescription strength from a doctor. The solution is going to be much stronger. The retinoid concentration is going to be a lot higher than over-the-counter. So for prescription strength and over-the-counter, prescription strength is going to be stronger retinoid concentration, and then over-the-counter is a weaker concentration percentage. However, it doesn't mean to say that over-the-counter doesn't work because it's weaker. Sometimes less is more, because a prescription strength, you're more likely to have irritation with the skin and sensitivity, and you're going to have to go much slower with a prescription strength retinoid. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to use, the example I've chose is the Deep Wrinkle Serum from RoC Skincare, RoC Retinol Correction. The prescription strength is already in the form of retinoic acid, so it does not have to convert to work on the skin cells, whereas in over-the-counter they're generally in retinol form, so it has to convert from retinol to retinaldehyde and then to a retinoic acid, so it has to go through two conversions. So with over-the-counter, the results take longer also to see, like up to 12 weeks, but consistency is key. Now with this serum from RoC, they even advise when you first start using it to use it every other night and then work up to using it, 5 nights a week. So the other important factors is who cannot use retinoid. So if you are pregnant or trying to conceive, you don't use retinoids. If you're breastfeeding, and also if you have active eczema. The conflicts when you're using your retinoid. So you must use a really gentle cleanser. Don't be using any active cleansers, any medicated cleansers, exfoliating cleansers before you apply your retinoid. It's just going to irritate and sensitize the skin. Don't be using any AHAs, any BHAs, any alpha hydroxys, any exfoliants, and do not use benzoyl peroxide or vitamin C. Vitamin C is best used in the morning anyway, and retinol is best used at night time. So now we've got all the terminology out of the way, let's get to the demo. So now we come to the demo. You see I'm all fresh faced, brush the makeup off. So you wash your face, wait 10 minutes, and then you're going to apply your retinoid. I'm going to show you how to apply, and it doesn't matter if it's over the counter, it doesn't matter if it's prescription strength, it's the same style, okay? But first of all, let's address, why should you use a retinoid? What does a retinoid do for your skin, and how young can you start using it? Well, you can actually start using retinol in your teens because it actually addresses acne and acne scarring. And then as your skin transitions, you would be like me, you would move on to retinoid for its anti-aging purposes, fighting fine lines and wrinkles, etc. So what does it actually do? What does retinoid do? So it speeds up the So retinoid speeds up the cell turnover, and when we're in our 40s and 50s, it decreases, your cell renewal cycle decreases, and it changes to every 45 to 60 days. So we really need that help to stimulate and boost that collagen and elastin production and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Because when you're in your 20s and 30s, your skin renewal cycle is every 21 to 28 days. And as I already said, it addresses acne and acne scarring, and it also unclogs the pores. So it's a fantastic ingredient. So okay, so now we're going to do the demo. So I'm going to first of all apply my eye cream. I prefer to do that first with your ring finger, of course. It's the ring finger's lightest pressure. I always do this because I do not want the facial serum or moisturiser going up into the eye area, so it's just easier to do the eye cream first. So this is RoC Retinol Correction again, and this is for fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and we have retinol in here, and we have a mineral complex of zinc, copper and magnesium, and we also have glycerin and vitamin B5. But I've already did a review on that, so I'm not going into it. So now I'm going to use RoC Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Serum. You can use 1 to 2 pumps. I'm going to use 2 pumps because I'm greedy. And this is like a gel texture. So basically apply in threes. I did 3 across the forehead, and then you just smooth onto your skin. And this deep wrinkle serum, I will be doing a review on this soon, but to give you a quick roundup, it has also the same mineral complex. This is retinol as the ingredient. We have copper, zinc, magnesium, we have vitamin E, which is soothing, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, but in the review I will go more into it. And we also have glycerin in this as well. And then once you've applied your serum, you can straight away apply your moisturiser. So just to seal in the retinol. And if you wish, if you feel that the retinoid is too drying on your skin, you can also, as a last step, put your oil, facial oil on. But the thing to remember is you always apply it on dry skin. And going back to the video, I am going to tell you another method that you can use as well. So that's it, very simple, very easy. Now let's get back to the video. Also, if you have very dry skin, what you can do is what they term as the Retinol Sandwich. So you can actually cleanse your skin while your skin is still damp. Apply your moisturiser, wait on your moisturiser drying, and then apply your retinoid, and then apply another layer of moisturiser on top. That seals it in and it gives a pull and push effect with the retinoid, and also it will help your skin if you have sensitivity and you're just starting out on using retinoid. So I hope you found this helpful and informative, and please feel free to leave me any comments or any questions in the comment section, and until the next skincare video, I will say adios and over and out, and thank you for watching.